Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove follower on our Facebook page. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open your Facebook account. So over here I am logged in to my Facebook page over here, and now let's head on to our Facebook page profile. Alright, so once you have done that, here you can see we have various options on the left hand side. So over here, when you scroll up, you can see we have 2 followers, and here you can see the followers option that is on the tab. So if you cannot see that followers option, you will find it on the more option, and here when you scroll down, you can see your follower tab. So right now I already have this tab visible on the front page. So what you have to do is click on these followers, and when you click on that, you will see a bunch of followers on your Facebook page. So currently it is just showing a 1 follower. So this is our follower that we have to remove from Facebook page. So to remove this follower from the Facebook page, what you can do is click on this 3 dot icon, and you'll be able to see 2 options. You can either report that person, or you can just simply block it. So when you click on report person, here you can go through that process, or you can just simply block the person by clicking block option. So here you can see we have 2 options. You can either ban the person, or you can ban new profile that the person may create. So that's it. That is how you can remove follower from a Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.